Hi, in this video we are going to arrange a simple persistent object storage with indexedDB. IndexedDB is a key-value client-side database. In this database, JavaScript objects can be saved. So, let's pretend that there is some site and there is a list of objects that should be saved on the client. We need to migrate this list of objects to persistent object storage, and then we need to get the list back. First of all, we need to open the database. Because the process of opening is asynchronous, we will use the promise object. To open the database, we use the open method of the indexedDB property of the window object. This method has two params, the database name and the version of the database. This method returns the request object. The request object has onSuccess, onError, and upgrade needed events. If the database doesn't exist, the onUpgrade needed event will be fired. And in this event handler, we need to create the object storage. On success, we resolve the promise with a database object. On error, we reject the promise. To save or to get from the database, we need to use the transaction method of the database object. This method has two params, storage name and mode. To save, we need to use read-write mode. To get objects, the read-only mode will do. So let's create the migrate method. This method will save all objects from the list to the database. To save an object, we need to get the object store, database, transaction, object store. Now we can use the add method of the store object. To get the objects from the database, let's create a getList method. Database, transaction, object store, get all. We will get all the items in the onSuccess handler results. Let's check it out. Migrate the list to the database and then get the list. Thank you for watching to the end. Subscribe to our channel and you will find more JS videos.